New information tonight that shows the coronavirus is indeed spreading, and it has Detroit's largest air carrier now taking precautions.
Today, health officials confirmed the 8th case of the coronavirus in the United States. A Boston man in his 20s tested positive for the virus after returning from Wuhan, China. There are now confirmed cases in Massachusetts, Illinois, California, Washington, and Arizona. Coco McAvoy is live at Metro Airport. Coco, I know Delta Airlines is making some big changes as these alarming new numbers are released.
Yes, that's right. The numbers really are alarming. We're talking about more than 14,000 cases now confirmed. There are 304 deaths in China, and these numbers have now surpassed the SARS outbreak from 2002 and 2003. The coronavirus is being called a global health crisis, and the United States is taking a serious stance to prevent the spread here.
The United States government will implement temporary measures to increase our abilities to detect and contain the coronavirus proactively and aggressively.
Today, Delta Airlines made a major announcement, moving up its timetable to start canceling flights as early as tomorrow in response to the coronavirus. Our doctor, Frank McGeorge, says in Michigan, doctors are aware of the symptoms.
There have been several suspected cases within the state of Michigan. They have all turned out to be negative, but this is a concern in the general sense that it's a public health issue. A public health issue that is still very new. There's a great deal that we don't know about the virus, and there is probably going to be much more coming in the near future as researchers investigate it more. Right now, doctors are trying to determine the best ways to protect people from the coronavirus. At this point, the best way to protect yourself is simply to avoid people who may have traveled to China recently, particularly Wuhan City, or close contacts of those individuals. Meanwhile, the U.S. will implement a mandatory 14-day quarantine for any American citizen who is traveling from Wuhan, China, as the death toll there continues to rise, and the number of cases in the United States now stands at 8. And again, the Delta flights will start being suspended starting tomorrow, and we will closely follow all of the developments when it comes to this story. Back to you.
All right. Thanks, Coco.